To make sure that Chrome is running smoothly on your computer, click on the three dots at the top of your screen, go to Help and About Chrome, and then I would bookmark this. So that it's easier to find for next time. So you can just open a new tab, click on the Chrome update. It tells me that Chrome is up to date. Then you can go back to the three dots, click History, and then Clear Browsing Data. Make sure that all three of these are checked. I usually click for all time, and then I clear the data. If you're experiencing trouble with login or other functionality that Chrome or Google Drive usually has, and these are diminished, I would try to update Chrome, clear the history and cache, log out of those things, and then log back in. And usually that will solve the problem.